it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super wonderful. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. What are we gonna do today? We're just gonna sit back, chill, relax, and we're gonna do an unboxing. This is from Shein. I have a bag of things here, and to be honest with you guys, I don't even remember what I ordered because I've had these sitting in the corner in the room for God knows how long, and I thought, let's do this unboxing. So we're going to start with this little thingy here, and I have a feeling I've ordered some eyeshadow palettes. I have a feeling. So let's just get going. So we're going to open this up. And oh my God, the packaging is just really ridiculous. No, I have to get my scissors, hold on. And I have a feeling this is probably an eyeshadow, because I remember I was watching Nelia's unboxing and everything was nicely packaged like this. So we're just gonna see what this is. Yes, it's an eyeshadow palette. So I'm just opening up everything. Oh my God, everything is so sealed up. So we're just gonna take our time, guys, and chill out and just do this unboxing today, however long this video goes. So this is where I don't have patience to open up all of these things, to be honest with you guys. I really don't. So I'm just gonna try and chill out, relax, and see what all of this fluff is. I'm still opening first package, and of course it is an eyeshadow. She Glam. Ooh, holy. Very pretty. Love that. This is called Wild Heart. Love this. I love the colors. That green is very, very pretty. And I always love when the colors, the name of the colors are actually on the palette, so you know exactly what you're using. Next, we are going to open up this one, and we are going to try and do this quickly. And of course, it's eyeshadow palettes. Let me just get these things. Oh my God, why are they wrapped up so tightly? I mean, I do appreciate the fact that they don't want them to shift or break during shipping, which is really good. So we're opening up this one. So we're just gonna toss everything on the floor. And these are, again, She Glam shadows. And that's why when I'm doing unboxing, I always like to open up everything and just get rid of all the plastic, because sometimes it takes so long to open up everything. And gosh, I'm still going, guys. I'm still opening up this one. Still. Jesus. Holy smoke, this is quite pretty. Another lovely palette from She Glam. The colors are really lovely. Very pretty, because I really do need to update my eyeshadow collection because I've got so many old palettes. Let's just toss those on the ground. This is obviously another palette. I'm not quite sure why I picked up so many palettes, but we're just gonna open them all up today and see what they look like, and maybe you guys are gonna be inspired to get a few of these from Shein. This is called, I don't know, some juicy palette. That's what it's called. And of course, let's just open it from, let's see, probably this side. There we be. This is the strangest unboxing I've ever done on my channel, because everything is taking so long. So you're gonna take off the packaging, then take off the plastic, then open up the box, and then show the palette finally. This is called the Stay Juicy palette. Oh, holy smoke. I was just about to say ooh la la, and there's a color called ooh la la. Guys, you need to get some of these palettes from Shein. Look at that. Look at how pretty. Oh my God. And this brown color in the middle, this shimmer color, it's called Ooh La La. Wow, this is unbelievable. So one more. Ah, you're going to remove the plastic. Then you're going to remove the inner plastic, the inner packaging, sorry. And then we're going to remove the plastic again. So just talk amongst yourselves in the meantime while I try to get these things open. Anywho, we are getting there, guys. We are getting there. Let's just see what this one is all about. And they are all Shein palettes. This is a Smart Cookie palette. Oh, lovely. Oh, my lovely. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Very pretty. Cute colors. Very, very different to the other palettes I have. And again, all the names of the colors are listed, which is really good. So, let's try to put that back in. So far, I have 4 palettes from Shein. Oh, I got this. I didn't remember these. I ordered some eyeshadow brushes. Let me just see if I can open this up. Can this be open, or do I need to cut into this? Probably not. So we're just going to... They're quite cute. Eyeshadow brushes, and it's a little bit almost like, what do you call that? Like a plasticky type of thing. They look really, really cute. Just nice to have in your collection. They feel somewhat flimsy, but they're eye brushes. I mean, I rotate my brushes a lot. The minute something starts to shake, it goes into the garbage. And these are tape for the side of your eyes when you're doing your eyeshadows. That's what that one is. Oh, I forgot I got some beauty blenders as well. Let's see if I can open this up. This is quite cute. You do have 10-piece beauty sponges in here. Could you guys see that? Very, very pretty, very cute, and oh, it's easy to open. And let me just see if these sponges, and they are soft. Whoa. Oh my. Get some of these, guys. You will not regret it. Ton of them, and they're nice and small just to get into some of those difficult corners on the face. Wow, they're very, very, yeah, they're very, very soft. I really like that. Again, this is the packaging right here. 10-piece beauty sponges. There we go. And I think I have one more thing in here. I'm not quite sure what this is. This is probably a lipstick. So we're just going to, again, open this up real quick and see what this is. I'm really happy that they've packaged things so nicely, so at least during shipping things are not going to break and shift, because I've ordered eyeshadow palettes before, and by the time they come, one of them is really, really messed up. Now look at the packaging of this lipstick, guys. Look at that. Let me bring this close to show you. This is very pretty, quite cute, and it feels a little bit heavy too. And look at this lipstick. Let me bring that close to show you guys. And to me, these colors are screaming spring and summer. Love that. Oh my God. Let me see if, oh, it's like a snap closure. Very nice. And the name of this lipstick is called Plum Jam. Very nice. Love the packaging. Nice and pink and gold. Very, very cute. And these are all of the hauls for you guys today from Shein. I got the 10-piece beauty sponges. This is the lipstick. These are eyeshadow brushes. You get 3, 6, 7-piece set. Not bad. Pretty cute. Love that. And of course, this is the sponge, the tape for the side of your eyes when you're doing your eyeshadows. And these are the 4 eyeshadow palettes. They are quite pretty. I love the colors of these palettes. Very, very pretty. And the names again are on the palette, so you will know exactly which color you're using. And these palettes does not have any mirror, which is really, really good, because sometimes I really hate the mirror. You don't really need it because nobody uses it, right? So I'm going to leave these things in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to get on Shein and pick up a few things. These are quite nice. If you don't get anything today, get this lipstick. This is really cute. I love cute packaging for things. This is quite cute. Love it. It has a little bit of a weight to it as well. Very nice. Love that. Anywho, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today with this Shein unboxing / haul. Thank you for watching. All of the details will be down below in the description box for you guys, and I hope you get a chance to pick up 1 or 2 things. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. Shall see you next time. Diddles!